The SQD Trike electric bike is an investment in comfort, convenience, and fun for adults looking for a reliable three-wheel electric ride. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this electric bike in the description below at the best price. This trike is designed with a low step-through frame, making it incredibly easy to get on and off, which is perfect for seniors or anyone seeking a stress-free ride. Its 18 by 3-inch fat tires and rear differential offer excellent stability on uneven surfaces, giving you confidence and safety with every ride. Powered by a 1200W peak brushless motor, the ESKUTE Trike delivers smooth acceleration and steady speed up to 18 miles per hour. It's strong enough to handle small inclines or carry groceries while remaining gentle for everyday cruising. Paired with a 499Wh removable battery, this electric tricycle can travel up to 55 miles on a single charge, so you can enjoy long rides without worrying about running out of power. Charging the battery indoors is straightforward, and removal is hassle-free, adding to the convenience. Comfort is a priority here, with an adjustable seat suitable for riders from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 2 inches and a padded backrest that reduces strain during longer journeys. You also get 3 riding options: pedal, pedal assist, and throttle, allowing you to choose how much effort you want to exert. The foldable frame and front and rear baskets make daily errands a breeze, whether you're transporting groceries, a bag, or even a small pet. While it's heavier than standard bikes and may require some storage space, the trade-off is unmatched stability, safety, and versatility. Overall, the SQD Trike electric bike is ideal for adults seeking a reliable, easy-to-ride, and practical electric tricycle. Check the link in the description to see the latest price and make your ride both enjoyable and effortless.